As you can see, just place the dough ball into the machine. It automatically presses the chapati and smoothly moves it onto the conveyor belt without any manual effort. This machine is fully operated by electricity, so there is absolutely no need for gas. It comes equipped with high-quality, commercial-grade electric burners that ensure consistent and efficient heating. These burners play a key role in perfectly roasting each chapati. As you can see, once the roti is pressed, it travels from the first conveyor to the second and then to the third. At every stage, the machine gently flips the chapati, just like we do at home, so both sides get evenly roasted. This flipping and roasting system is designed to mimic traditional home cooking, but with far greater speed and convenience. By the time the chapati reaches the output, it is soft, fully puffed, and beautifully roasted on both sides. Exactly like a homemade roti, but produced with commercial-level consistency and efficiency. So, with this fully electric chapati making machine, you get authentic taste, perfect texture, and effortless automation, all in one.
RotiPro is a big name in food machines, exporting to more than 70+ countries. RotiPro, delivering worldwide with free 1-year warranty. Get 24/7 customer support, free consultation, and a free demo. Thanks for watching.